Hey guys, come check out this kitchen main floor renovation we just wrapped up. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. First off, I'll show you this fireplace area. So we fully demolished the previous fireplace. It was a multi-tiered unit that was kind of dated and the fireplace was off center. So now we've centered the fireplace. We have a new fireplace, a new chase or bump out for that. And then we've added these floating shelves and cabinetry for storage and the ability to display their collections and some great lighting details in here as well. Some nice finish options within the area. It's a really nice, elegant look. Come check out this kitchen area. So here, this main floor used to be kind of separated into 3 rooms by this wall that used to be right here behind me. I used to divide the dining room from the kitchen, and then the kitchen was separated from the living room, and it really created kind of an obstacle for flow and cut off natural light within the space. So here we've opened this up. It's quite a nice open concept and really creates a nice kitchen area with lots of flow, easy access to all sides of the island, and really far better use of space ultimately. Here within the kitchen, we actually salvaged some of the existing cabinetry and ended up repainting it. We have some new cabinetry that was custom built to match the original finish and the door profile. So in the end, we have half recycled, half new, but it all looks consistent and works well with our new island, which complements and accents at the same time. What used to be in that big wall in the center was the fridge and some other storage. So now we have the fridge over here. Again, we have the nice golden triangle, as they call it, for easy access to all your appliances that you need. And in the end, makes again for great flow through the space. Here we have some good bar seating at the island. And this is where we had this big wall that we removed. And there was something to consider here was the bulkhead configuration that was there previously. So a lot of thought went into how we could design it after the wall was removed to make it look like part of the original design for the home. And I think we did a great job there. We had a few texture patches to do, but again, turned out great. Looks like part of the original design for the home and creates this wonderful open concept and ultimately just really a beautiful space. So thanks for checking it out. Stay tuned for some of our other videos. We did the ensuite bathroom here as well, so we'll showcase that separately. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.